In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reactivate a Copper Golem statue in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To begin, make sure you have found a Copper Golem statue that is unwaxed. This is important because a waxed statue cannot be reactivated with this method. Before you do anything else, take a moment to confirm that the statue is not waxed, so you are working with the correct one. Next, equip an axe. You will need the axe for every part of this process, so have it ready in your hand before interacting with the statue. Once the axe is equipped, move close enough to the Copper Golem statue so you can use the tool on it directly. Now check the condition of the statue. If the Copper Golem statue is oxidized, you must remove that oxidation first. Use the axe on the statue to scrape away the oxidation. Keep using the axe until the statue is fully unoxidized. If the statue has gone through multiple stages of oxidation, continue scraping until all of those oxidized layers are removed. The goal here is to return the statue to its clean, unoxidized state before moving on. Take your time during this part and watch the statue carefully. You need the statue to be completely unoxidized, not partially cleaned. If any oxidation remains, the reactivation step will not work as expected. Continue scraping with the axe until the statue clearly appears unoxidized. Once the Copper Golem statue is fully unoxidized, use the axe on the statue one more time. This final use of the axe is what triggers the reactivation. As soon as you do this on the unoxidized, unwaxed statue, the Copper Golem statue will transform back into a Copper Golem. At that point, the process is complete. The statue is no longer inactive, and the Copper Golem has been restored successfully. If it does not reactivate, check the two main requirements again. Make sure the statue is unwaxed, and make sure all oxidation has been completely scraped off before attempting the final axe use. Find an unwaxed statue, equip your axe, remove all oxidation if needed, and then use the axe one final time on the clean statue to transform it back into a Copper Golem. That covers everything you need to know.